God, woo, heavy man. So one fling right here, so one dash over there, so I soon get ripe bananas. Now help me welcome my first. Look at this one. Now that I see this one, I'm going to plant some more. They are great to snack on. The grapes. Can I tell you that I am still getting
My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening family behind the cameras again. So I am showing you what's going on in my garden. Just a little update, really. Nothing big. So this, my June plum tree, everywhere that it is putting on new growth, I am getting another crop or another batch of plums. Oh, by the way, I've been having them turn. They are great to snack on, even green. So I just let it be like a daily thing right now where I just snack on them whenever I'm out here. So yeah, I'm getting new growth. I realize that the tree is stripping itself of the older leaves. So I did pull out the currants from here. I put back a few from the ones that I harvested. I didn't allow them to dry, so I'm not sure what is going to happen. I'm actually leaving one to dry, but because I'm going to leave the garden for a few, I said let me just put them in and see what will happen. So by the time I am back, the one that I put to dry, if these don't sprout, then I will just plant those ones. You know, I didn't realize, I kid you not, this is growing here all along. My sunflower, and I kid you not, I didn't realize, because guess what happened? I thought they didn't make it. Now that I see this one, I'm going to plant some more right now before I leave. Yeah, so wow, this is nice. And look which one of the container it in. But it will be fine. Thank God I saw it just now, cause I really love sunflowers. Now I'm going to plant some more. Look at this baby right here, my sour people gooseberry. It has been ripening up a lot, and they're going to waste, And these are good vitamin seeds, Look at this one, big. Some of them really big. So you can see, let me try to hold up the vine. You can see these, because they were resting on the ground, they're gone to waste, man. So God's willing, when I'm back, I will just, try to trellis it up a bit. Whew. There are a lot on there, more than I expected, more than I thought. Yeah. So I am going to, this one not so ripe, this one is fully ripe on. So orange it is. Yeah, I'm going to have them. So I'm having them for, not for taste, I can tell you that much, just for the benefits. No, this banana tree, it is actually leaning, but the banana is full. I think maybe I soon get ripe bananas from there. I hope the tree just hold up for me, because I'm going to try something. Yeah, I'm going to try something, but this baby is full. Cut the wasp, ready to get me, man. Guys, look at my grapes. My grapey grapes. Can I tell you that I am still getting more blossoms? Yeah, I don't know, but this vine right now, man. Here, getting a little bush, Seems as if I am getting grapes by the day. Yeah. The blossoms, you can see they open up right there. And those are the tiny, fruity. Yeah, those are what I'm actually getting. Let me show you another one. Look at this one. So the blossoms, they open up. So not everything that you see on the blossom, I'll be getting. Let me show you. So not because you see the bunch like this is just the blossom. So when everything open up, the stronger ones, I suppose, have grape inside of them, and the others will just fall to the ground. Now help me welcome my first passion fruit. Yay! One that was over here, it fell off, but one coming on beside there. I see where I'm going to get several. Remember the last time I got one? Yeah, I got one. But hey, I know I'll be getting more. I planted these purple corns over there. Oh, I think I need one more in line with right there. So the yard wants to cut, so it's very bushy. I'm going to show you what's going on with the other ones. I'm like, what? Look at my sorrels. Sorrels don't look bad at all. Not at all. So let me show you the corn them. Like seriously, I don't know what passed through these purple corns. I kid you not. And I letting them stay now. I letting them stay as is. I'm telling you. So one fling right here, so one dash over there, so one somewhere over there, one right here. Man, I don't know what passed through. Let me see if I can give you another handle. Yeah, look at that. So they're tussling, and I'm just going to let it stay. I kid you not. I'm just going to let them stay and see if I get anything from them. Now my pumpkin patch over here is dismantled by pestilence. The white stuff you're seeing is the diatomaceous earth. When I actually had the diatomaceous earth, it was far gone because of the rains. But I still have my two pumpkins. Well, I don't have two again. Oh Lord. I think this one, ooh, lots of cobweb. I walk in one whole heap of cobwebs. This one, uh-oh. This one gone back to the earth. Ew! Lots of seeds in there. I'm gonna leave it and let it go right here again. But this one, uh, uh-oh. You know, I break it. I break it off, you know. I kid you not. So you know what? I am just going to take it up. It just break off, so you ready, man? I just simply turn it like that and I heard it crack, you know. Let me see if the tendril was dry. Well, yeah. The tendril. Yeah, the tendril was dry, so yeah. It is ready. It is ready, yo. So I'm not going to open this until I come back. I'm going to wash it off and put it inside. Put it inside. God, ooh, heavy man. I held on to it like this. Heavy man. All right, strong girl. Strong girl, you got this. You got this. All right. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I took out all the pak choys from those containers. Yeah. So I'm going to put other things in there when I get back. God's willing. I harvested all the pak choy that was here, and I put some cabbages right here. Man, my ackee tree is taking off. This apple tree shed all its leaves. I did the water because we had some rain, but when you have light rains, well, for me, when I have light rains, I still have to water. And I know I probably look stupid watering, after light rains. But when we have light rains, it doesn't mean that, your containers are fully or deeply watered. So I didn't bother to water. I remember one morning I got up and I saw the leaves look withered. I was thinking that maybe it was some fertilizer issue. So I took out the fertilizer, of course. Nothing changed. And then I said, all right, it must be the watering. So I just help it out and I stripped everybody. All the leaves are stripped off. And so now this is what it is doing. It is putting out new growth or new leaves. Yeah. Okras are rolling in. Okra. Okras. Man, these just shoot off. Remember the tomatoes that are planted in the middle? They're coming back now. But something had eaten them down to the size you're seeing now. And I decided that I'm not going to, do anything. I'm just going to let them stay. And they're springing up back. So when they get bigger, I'm just going to leave one in here and move the others to somewhere else. Remember the carrots that we planted inside here? So I'm going to plant another batch to have a little succession going on right there. More pear tomatoes rolling in down this side. So yes, I'll give you an update when I'm back. God bless my garden. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed Easter. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.